Here's something you don't see every day. This guy's looking for me. I've killed him twice now. Hey buddy, I think you found me. I'm right here. You must be new. Time to die. Bet you won't make that mistake again. Alright. June 20th, 2025. Another day in Arma Reforger, the backwoods of North Carolina. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I gotta get me my 500 subscribers so we can start having fun. Got him. Deadski. You know, this is why I keep playing. The airstrikes. Gotta love them. Everything changes in this game from one day to the next. Around every turn, there's something new to do. Whether it's capping bases, running supplies, flying helicopters, it doesn't matter. This game's got it all. It looks like this guy gets away, I think. I was a little off today. But if you guys are looking for a game with action, look no further. Arma Reforger.
Fucking asshole, got him.